So hello guys, I welcome you all to this to our show, and today we are going to analyze Nifty for the week ahead, and today is 18th from 21st of March to 25th of March. So we'll be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty with the help of moving averages, and we'll be taking out the support and resistance, and also we'll be taking help of the RSI and Stochastic RSI. So you can see this is the Nifty chart, and let me delete all the indicators. So we'll be analyzing Nifty with the help of moving averages. So moving averages is an important indicator for Nifty. So this is my Zerodha account, the moving averages. Click on this. So by default is 9 days, so you can click on setting and we'll convert it to 10 days moving average. Then we can insert again. We'll take 3-4 moving averages. So the first one 10 days, you can change the style. This is blue color, okay. Then second one, we'll change the input from 10 days to 20 days. Moving averages style, you can change the color. I will take the second color, okay. And then we'll again insert moving average indicator, and this we can take 30 days. Go to input and 30 days, 10 days, 20 days, and then we'll 50 days. So moving averages 50 days, style will change, purple color, yeah, that's okay, no issues with that. Indicator, moving average, and we'll change it to another color. We can change it to another color, and style we can take 100 days. Then we'll insert another moving average, we'll change it to 200 days. The style will change the color to okay. So this is how, for people who are new, who do not know how to use the indicator, they can insert indicators like this, and you can see all the lines. So the line denotes the respective moving averages. So if you look at the chart, so where is the Nifty trading? Nifty is trading above this blue line, and blue line is for 10 days. Red line is for 20 days. Then this blue, light blue, this is for 200 days. Then this is purple is for, you can see, 50 days moving average, and the green for 100 days moving average. So we are about to reach to 100 days moving averages, okay. So we are trading well below the 100 days moving averages, and we are trading above, just above, or at, you can say, at 50 days moving averages. So this will be the target in the coming week. This will be the target, that is 17,387. This will be the target. So and take the line, so we can mark this. This will be the target, nearest target, and support. This will be the support. Seventeen 17,387, around 17,400 you can say, and this is around 17,000 will be the support, first support. So this is how you use moving averages to draw the support and resistance. So I hope this is clear. Now we'll remove on the indicators. We will also analyze the FIIS and DIIS long and short participant wise data, and we'll analyze. So we'll do a comprehensive analysis. So let's do it for Nifty alone, and you can similarly do it for the Bank Nifty as well. So now, okay, now I have this indicator installed. These are the two indicators, Stochastic RSI and RSI. So so if you look at the RSI, Stochastic RSI and RSI, so around 94 and 57 combination, 94, 57. So 94, 50, no, 92, 57, 61. This situation is somewhat similar. You can see here 94 and 60. This. So we are like this situation, but here the trend was kind of consolidation phase, bullish phase. If you look, so any bullish phase, 4-5 days bullish momentum here, and see, perfect situation. This is a similar situation, and it was around May 20 when stochastic RSI was at around 90, 92 and 60, same, and 3-4 days movement you can see continuous uptrend. So what I am trying to say is that when stochastic RSI is at overbought region and RSI is not at overbought region, so there are chances that the RSI also will reach or touch the overbought region, and it may touch 70 or 80. So what I am trying to say here is that, because if you look here, this is at overbought region, the stochastic RSI is at overbought region, but RSI is still not overbought, so there are chances that it will move from 56 to around 70, and if it moves from 57 to 70 or 80, so maybe the Nifty may move 200-300 point more. Nifty may move 203 point more, so it may touch 17,500. Looking at the stochastic RSI and RSI in combination, because the stochastic RSI is showing bullish movement. See here. So when stochastic RSI is at overbought region, there are chances that it may remain for few days. The Nifty may remain bullish for few days and it may move around 300-500 points, or it may reverse like this. You see here. So this stochastic RSI touches 96, then it retraces, but here it touches 99, then retraces one negative candle, then it moves up. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 green candles. So I am saying, because here also the RSI, this RSI was at around 55 and it was not overbought, so still there was some room. So this RSI touches 17, then it retraces. So still RSI is trading at 57, so it may move towards 70 and then the Nifty may retrace back. So still the Nifty may touch 17,600 at this point. So Nifty may touch 17,600, or it may touch 17,858. This is purely by looking at the price action. And then the long term target would be taking over this previous high. But the Nifty may retrace back and then move, and when Nifty retraces back and then moves upward, the upward movement will be more forceful and Nifty will come back with more power, and then it will take over all the previous highs. So still there is one retracement left, so I am waiting, or I am hoping, and it will happen. Nifty will definitely will take retracement, and that retracement may come at around 17,600 or 17,800. So from 17,600 or 800 or maybe 500, the Nifty will retrace back maybe 200-300 points, like here, maybe 300-400 points, and then it will move upwards with greater force to take over all the previous highs. Now I will show you the participant voice data, FIIS position. This is very important data. Nobody would have shown you this data. This is the data of FIIS DIIS client DIIS, FIIS professionals. So this is the data where you can see the positions in futures long, futures short, call option, put option, stock options, stock futures, all the position you can see. So but we will not go into the details of this data. We will only see the FIIS data, and that also the index FIIS data. If you look at the future index long, the long position of FIIS is 1,28,000 contracts. Okay, if you look at the future long position, FIIS 1,28,787, future short 96,000. So definitely you can see, not going to calculate the percentage of long and short. So clearly you can see around 30-40% they are higher on the long side. So we should also be on the long side, because we should play as the FIIS are playing. And we'll see the call. You see call long is approximately double of the call short, 2,11,000 call short and 4,03,000. This is just double, call long is just double, so they are bullish. So we can see that FIs are very bullish, so we should also be bullish. We should not be sitting on more, and a short position should be light. If you are short on call, that should be light. If you are long on call, that should be high. So you can see the FI's long position is double, just double of the call short position. And then we'll see the open interest data. So this is the open interest. Expiry will take 31st March. Okay, so you can see this put 17,000. This is blue is call and this pink is put. So 17,000 put writing is the highest. So it shows that the Nifty may not move below 17,000, and I don't see any highest kind of a call writing. So call writing is not high because it shows that the strong person or the person with the heaviest capital is not short on call. I put shorts at 17,000. No heavy call writing. No heavy call writing till 17,700. So we'll also see the current week 24th March data. We can see. So highest put writing again 17,000, highest put writing, then the call writing at 17,300, that is at the money, and then 17,500, but the highest put writing is at 17,000. So there are chances that the Nifty will not go below 17,000. So you can do the analysis on the basis of other indicators as well, but I tried to do the analysis on the basis of moving averages and participant wise position, FIs, and using the open interest data of Nifty. So you can do the similar analysis on Bank Nifty as well. So I hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow I am planning to make a video on, if you are an investor, how you can increase your return, and how you can maybe that you are sitting on losses because the market moved lower for the previous 3-4 months. So what are the ways you can reduce your losses? So there are ways using options you can reduce your losses, but you are not aware. Many of the people who are investors, they are not aware of these options. So I will try to simplify it, and they can improve their portfolio position and status. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to watch that video. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.